Big Molly, eating up your body. Ain't no dose shells, I wish you try to ride me. They hearing rumors about Express that heard he busted shotty. I'm putting capsules in your body, I ain't talking Molly. Yeah, new 4-5, have them running like.
What's up, Rain Gang? It's ReigningReacts, and we are back with Upchurch's new song he uploaded yesterday, I believe, called Animal for the Creeker 2 release. If I remember correctly, Creeker was his album he came out with that had rock on it, which I thought was dope. So if this is going to be the same way, this is going to be our first rock and roll type song reaction. The LIFT was kind of rock and roll, but it was still centered around rap. So this will be it, and I'm stoked. Either way, Upchurch has bars when he does music, and so even if it's hip hop, we got something to break down. If it's not, then we're just in for a good tune, man. And I'm excited. I hope y'all are too. Upchurch, I hope you're watching. I know that you did subscribe a while ago, so I hope that you're still on the channel, man. And yeah, let's get right into this, man. So it is rock. Okay, cool. I'm excited. That's cool. Like, that first part there, he's talking about, like, you know, the struggle of living on a farm and having to make sure that you're making ends meet, to make sure the state can't take it. And, you know, like, it's hard because you got, you know, like, diesel that goes up, gas that goes up, just prices of everything going up. But on the farm life, you don't see that reciprocate into making more money, so it gets harder and harder. But yeah, I like that. That's dope. Them work trucks got disconnected too. Just a poor boy on a farm, full clothes on my roof, dip stains in my Wranglers and holes in my boots. Clueless to the world, fearful of no man. Raised an animal of my own, my teeth blood stained red. I'm alive. There's an animal inside. I'm from another town. That's why you never see me smile. There's an animal inside. I really like that chorus too. That chorus is really cool. There's an animal inside. I'm a nobody, only bones and flesh. Just a feller with the last name the government made me have. But these feet have ran trails, these hands have touched the soil. So when I get to where I'm going, my last name will be worth more. I'm alive. There's an animal inside. I'm from another town. That's why you never see me smile. There's an animal inside. Yeah, that was a badass song. I like that. I'm gonna have to check out the album. I wonder. Let me check if it is actually out yet. Creeker 2. I don't think so yet. Because I got Animal and Hillbilly Psycho listed on the Genius. But yeah, when it does come out, y'all are going to have to go check it out. And just give it a listen. Because I like this song a lot. And, okay, so... Oh, it might be out. It says Creeker 2 rumors were true, and that it was supposed to be releasing toward the end of 2018. I had to do a bunch of digging. So yeah, actually, if I go to Spotify, that'll tell me right away. Go search and Upchurch. No. Okay, so it's not out yet. Creeker is out, and Creeker 2 should be coming soon. So yeah, I'm excited. Y'all pay attention, because this album's going to be cool. I like how Upchurch is versatile, man. And like I said, he's got bars when he does rapping, and then he when he doing rock and roll, he can paint a story really well. So that's awesome. I really like this. I hope y'all did. If you did, the link will be in the description box. And you can go check it out. Give a like. Comment that I sent you. And while you're here, man, smash that like button. Comment anything that you liked about the rock and roll side. Any rock and roll songs y'all want me to react to. Because this is my first rock and roll song. So I'll listen to some more. Just send me some links. I've been on the rock and roll vibe lately. After watching The Dirt. Motley Crue, man. They were crazy. So, yeah. I hope y'all liked it. If you did and you like the content we're putting out, smash that sub button as well and ring that bell so you can see when the videos get thrown up. And I hope y'all enjoyed it. It's Monday. I hope y'all's week is going great. And you got to start off strong. So I love y'all, man. Let's get it.